Shame wow.
Up on the hilltop where the vultures perch, that's where I'm gonna build my church. Ain't gonna be no priest, ain't gonna be no boss. This is Charles Nelson Riley, nailed to a cross. I don't piss, I don't shit, I'm getting no relief. They shake their heads in disbelief. Go! Just me on a hilltop with 15 girls in a Nelson Riley orgy that'll make your hair curl. Don't piss, I don't shit, I'm getting no relief. People shake their heads in disbelief. Charles Nelson Riley, he's our man. He can't heal the sick with the touch of his hand. He can't walk on the water, can't make wine flow. Just another B actor on the Late Late Show. I don't piss, I don't shit, I'm getting